Don't give up, guys. Day 1 of cracking LeetCode questions. Today we'll be tackling a very famous LeetCode question, that is 2-sum. So if you look at the problem here, you are given an array of numbers and a target number. Your task is to find two numbers which they add up to give the target. The output should be the indexes of these two numbers. And the point to be remembered is the input should be exactly one solution. And you should not use one element again twice to add up to give this target. If you look at the example here, if we take this array 2, 7, 11, 15, if we look at this two numbers which is 2 and 7, they add up to give 9, which is our target. So we should return the indexes of these two numbers. That is our job now. So if you look at the approaches we make, one is the brute approach and the other thing is using the hash tables. So if you look at the brute force here, we'll use a nested loop where we'll use a inner loop I and a outer loop j. So the outer loop j iterates second to the last element and the inner loop I iterates next to the last element. So this can be an efficient way of solving. But if you look at the approach using the hash tables, first we'll create an hash table and we'll feed the array values as a key and indexes as the value. We'll take another variable which we name them as another, and what we'll do is we'll take the first value in the array and subtract with the target and we'll store that in another. See, the another variable stores the another value. For example, if we take the first element in the array, so if we divide the target into first element with the target, we'll get the another number which we want to find in the hash table. That is the mechanism we use. So we'll check if the another number exists in the hash table. So the key point here is same number should not repeat again, like 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So if our target is 8. So if these two conditions satisfy, we'll return the key or the indexes of current number and the another number index. The source code is below the description. Please check that out. So please like, share and subscribe, guys. And finally, don't give up.